your externally integrated solution for your QuickBooks Financial, we have a few settings that we'd like to go over. Once you click on the settings button, you're prompted for a few different settings. This is where you can enable and disable different settings. So, for example, if you don't want us to work when you're working within QuickBooks Financial, you can disable us altogether. You can also enable and disable credit cards or ACH processing. If you're not using ProPayments for ACH, you don't want ProPayments to prompt you when you try to mark something as paid by ACH. And same goes for credit cards. Down at the bottom here, we have a couple of other settings, like the authorization responses going into the memo field. You can print an itemized receipt. You can choose to email the receipt to the customer. You can choose to print a customer copy automatically. You can have a pop-up window when the payment is updated if you want to see that. And as well as you can choose to use pending stamps on your invoices. So let's say a payment gets declined and you want to mark that as pending because you're going to go ahead and call that customer and try to get that payment information. That's no problem. You can choose to enable the pending stamps as well here. Under number generation, some merchants, when they switch over to using ProPayments, choose to want to switch their reference numbers. So you can switch from using your QuickBooks reference numbers to our reference numbers. As well, under the email message, you're able to change your email message inside of here. You can change any of the information that's outside of the little pound signs here that you can see around things. So any information, you can change the regards field. You can add a different information in here. That's no problem to kind of customize your email template. You also have your receipt template here that you can customize. These are the receipts that print. You can take away any information that you don't want simply just by highlighting and deleting. You can also change your font. You can change your font size. You can bold something, highlight something. If you have a colored printer, you can always change the color here. And all you have to do to save any of these settings is